Hi, I'm Jeannie James. I'm Chief Executive Officer of the Dr. Randolph's Ageless and Wellness Medical Center in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And today we have a medical practice that serves more than 7,500 patients a year, both men and women. We're excited to work with ZRT because of the integrity of their database and the scientific support they give to make sure that we're ensuring that our patients are getting the data they need to have so that their hormone health issues can be treated adequately, appropriately, and superbly.
I've had other labs recommended to me. I've been told that they are less expensive, but I've never found a lab that is as accommodating as ZRT.
I use ZRT as a tool. I think that physicians use me as a tool to help them with their patients. I use ZRT as a tool to help me determine dosing and this type of thing. And I've also recommended ZRT to many physicians for the same reason.
I've been delighted with the amount of service and support that they provided, from education to client-patient literature to ease of sampling. They have absolutely everything sophisticated and elegant and completely thorough.
It's been a great relationship. I don't trust any other lab. I've worked with Dr. Zava, I've worked with Jim Paoletti. They've always been there to support me if I have a question. I can just email them. They're very, very responsive, and I can't imagine working with any other facility.
It's neat to use what we call valid testing and correlate that with symptoms of a patient. A patient can test, and I can tell them when you get your values back, you will have got your money's worth, because what you say is wrong with you will correspond with what your imbalances will be. If I can get her or him to see that, then if we address the imbalance or address their symptoms, then we would expect as the levels get better that their symptoms would get better as well. And that's what we've seen happen.
I've just been overwhelmed with them, and they don't tend to push their lab testing. They tell you there's plenty of other ways out there, but they're the only one that I know that gives the great CME, the education available for docs, and it's been very helpful for my practice.
With ZRT, you can have confidence. All the years that I've been testing, I've never had any question of the quality of the testing that has gone on, and have always been able to resolve issues as a result of those tests. So I highly recommend ZRT.
I think they are best represented by the best people. I think their conferences are the best ones that are put on. And so for anybody else who might consider testing, I would always recommend ZRT.
You need to know what's going on in your body. You can be the best you ever been at 50, 60, and 70, as long as you know what's going on inside and what to do. ZRT can give you that data. They'll help you, because they've certainly helped us and all of our patients that we serve across the nation. Thanks.